Good day, sir. I am Melvin D. Suarez. A sophomore student of Bachelor of Arts Political Science, 19 years old. I currently live in Purok Maligay, Sumusumo, Tagos, Surigao del Sur. I consider myself as a tenacious, hardworking, and dedicated student, and my motto in life is every mistake could be a lesson. My hobbies are watching movies, playing mobile games, playing guitars, playing pianos, and also sleeping. My expectation to you, sir, is I hope you are a proactive, straightforward to the discussions, and high patience instructor. And I hope the knowledge that you teach is useful, purposeful, and applicable to the near future and to the real life.